Hello friends, welcome back to Home and Hobby. In today's video, we will roam around Sterling resorts in Darjeeling. Many of you know that Sterling has some of the best resorts in different parts of India. The resort in Darjeeling is about 6 km away from the Ghoom station. It is a 4-star luxury resort situated just beside the old Ghoom Monastery and has about more than 100 luxury rooms or cottages. There is a big parking area in front of the main building. The main building has the reception area, lounge, coffee shop, the restaurant, a gift shop, and all the classic or guest rooms for 2 persons are available in this building. There are facilities for spa and other activities too. Our room, which was a premium category or studio apartment, was for 3 adults. The tariff for these rooms are Rs 8,265 without breakfast and 9,770 including breakfast. In all these categories of rooms, 1 king-size bed and 1 sofa cum bed is available. Room heaters are available on request. The kitchenette area has a mini fridge, microwave, hot kettle and some cutleries are also supplied with them. If you like, you can heat everything in the microwave or make the basic tea and coffee with the adequate supplies. The bathroom has an attached hairdryer to it and there are also toiletries. The pathways lead to different blocks having various categories of cottages which are well decorated. They lead to the children's park, indoor activities, bonfire area and the Kanchenjunga View Point. There are 1 BHK cottages just adjacent to the park. These cottages have 1 double bedroom and 1 living room, including dining space for 4 adults, along with a kitchenette added to them. Just roam about and you will be able to find all the places with well-directed signboards. Right now, we are going towards the Kanchenjunga View Point. This resort is situated at an altitude of 7,400 feet near the Ghoom Monastery, which is the highest point of Darjeeling. The view of the Darjeeling town from Stirling looks mesmerizing. It was a very foggy and windy day, so the Kanchenjunga peaks could not be seen, but in the morning they could be clearly visible from the resort, that is, from the Kanchenjunga viewpoint. Now let's enjoy the bird's eye view of the Stirling resorts taken by our drone. We stayed there for 3 nights and really enjoyed our stay. The staffs were really well behaved and efficient. Family suite room is a duplex whose tariff is around 12,000 for 6 adults without breakfast. It has 2 bedrooms at the top floor and 1 common washroom and 1 living and 1 dining room in the ground floor with another washroom. This duplex is situated just near the Kanchenjunga viewpoint. While going towards the Kanchenjunga viewpoint, we find 1 BHK cottages. There are several duplex near the parking area too. In the restaurant, both buffet and a la carte food are available as per request.